I wanted to make something special for my kiddos at school for Valentine's Day and found just the right thing. You're watching Remade with Love, and this video will show you how you can make these sweet Valentine's gift bags to share with those you love. You'll need a selection of inks or paint that will set permanently on cloth, a spreader for applying the ink, 2 by 3 inch pre-made cloth bags. I got these from Amazon for about 20 cents each. An assortment of candies that you'd like to fill the bags with, and a variety of stencils, something to do with heart and love and everything Valentine's. I used tri-mesh stencils. Start with a bag on a protective surface. I used the plastic stencil holder, and although my stencils have adhesive backing, I found that because the surface of the cloth was a little too rough, it's not like using it on glass or paper or boards, the stencils just wouldn't completely stick or adhere like they would on a smoother surface. So as I got going, I discovered I needed to use painter's tape to actually hold these in place, and I made it work. And it actually worked to my advantage because not only did it hold the stencils in place, but as you can see, these stencils are pretty small, and it helped me contain my ink, my paint, when I was spreading it on the stencils, and I didn't have any accidents. Remember, as you paint on the stencils, that by just rinsing them clean after using and air drying, the adhesive backing is going to return, and you'll be able to use these over and over again for other projects. So make sure you don't let the ink dry out and wash them right away. Be sure your paint is mixed well, and you're going to place a little dollop of paint on the end, like using toothpaste. And hold the spreader paint side down with your pointer and middle fingers pushing down from the top side, scraping the paint across the top at about a 45-degree angle. Make sure to saturate the cloth and don't move the stencil. You may find that you have to go over your stencil more often using these cloth bags. Paper uses very little, hard surfaces use very little paint or ink, but cloth just soaks it up. Don't be afraid. Be sure to cap your paint so it doesn't dry out in between using different colors, and clean your scraper with a bit of paper towel. Finish your stencils. Remove the tape and the stencils, lifting straight up and away from the bags, and you're going to let air dry completely for about 45 minutes. If your paint or ink calls for heat setting, heat set if needed. Get creative. Finish up making a variety of bags. These things were so inexpensive, it's so easy to find new and unique ways that you can use stencils to decorate these bags. Experiment with mixing your colors. Remember, these are lovely gifts from your heart to theirs. Simple. Thanks for watching Remade with Love, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and YouTube for more crafting and furniture ideas.